Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your US Bank's auto loan account. Now if you guys are confused, then if you guys don't know that there is no such thing as a separate auto loan account, if you guys have an online banking account of US Bank, you can log in into there, and from over there there's gonna be a loan section where you guys can fill up the form and ask for a loan from US Bank. So that's how it works. So you log in into a regular online banking account, and from there you can access the auto loan section. All right, now let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. And yeah, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's move on. First step, search for US Bank auto loan login and click on the first link over here. And once you're in this page, click on where it says login and then enter the username of your account over here and then the password of your account over here, and then click on login, and you should be able to log in into your US Bank's online banking account. From there you can ask for some loan from US Bank. All right, so that's how it works. Hope you guys understand, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.